Today, we are in this small room. Our office looked something like this in 1996. It was one small room, approximately 12 square meters. So there was a table, just an ordinary table made of wood, just an ordinary phone, but it was red. Actually, that's all. The business of VMP-AUTO started with only these things 20 years ago, when 3 people banded together. And the only thing that we could do was sell. We wanted to know how these products, which we were selling, actually worked. These products were lubricants. In order to sell them well, and to explain to people about them, we were focused on learning all about these products, which we sell. So the company has covered a lot of ground since that time. Hello, my name is Elman Penjiev, head of VMP-AUTO's scientific department. We produced the first liter of our grease in this cooking pot when we first started. We decided to make a process for the development of our unit that synthesizes lubricants before we began using industrial-grade equipment. Our main goal of this was to elaborate on the technology. The pilot plant was created totally according to our plans and drawings. This thing is unique. You would not be able to find it or buy it assembled like this. We decided to begin by creating a pilot plant of the machinery, which we would use for synthesizing the lubricating greases before starting to use industrial-grade equipment in 2010. All of this technology is controlled by a computer, so the operator does not need to do anything with his own hands, except choosing the materials on this computer. So oils are pumped automatically, and the technology makes selecting automatic as well. We produce greases for all needs. We have wonderful greases for brake systems, which reduce the stopping distance. If you always want clean hands, we have the hand cleanser Chisik Profi for you. We recommend our latest product, iMagnet P14, for your engine's protection. Practically, we have greases for each and every situation in life. We do not stay in one place, but rather we continue to develop. So send us your requirements, and we will produce the grease that you specifically need. Lobanov Vladimir Sergeyevich, Chief Specialist of Industrial Applications in VMP-AUTO's group of companies. So grease MC1000 is applied to the manufacturing of cars such as KAMAZ. Belaz accepted our application of these 2 greases for their vehicles several years ago. But you should understand that Belaz is not just an ordinary company. It is ranked in the top 3 global leaders of mining truck manufacturers. Good day. I am the Deputy Chief Engineer of Belaz, Belarusian Automobile Factory, Trukhnov Leonid Ivanovich. When we were beginning the construction of bulldozers and loading trucks in the 1980s, we heard from foreign companies that they applied molybdenum greases. Some period of time went by, and this grease has now appeared to us thanks to VMP-AUTO. They came to our factory and performed exploitation tests and checked the efficiency of our truck units with the applied grease. As a result, we have put this grease into our technical documents. And nowadays, the application of their grease allows an increased service life of our truck units and extends the interval between oil changes. As a result, the customer benefits economically by saving money. So, lubricants are everywhere. Why? Because lubricants are byproducts of cars and machinery. And cars and machinery are everywhere. So, we move thanks to lubricants. We dig for coal thanks to lubricants. My name is Subotin Alexey Vasilyevich. I am the Deputy Chief Mechanic in Krasnogorsky Open Cast Coal Mine, an affiliate branch of Kuzbas Rasrezugul JSC. In our affiliate branch, we operate the excavator EKG-32R and EKG-18R. We use domestically produced lubricants such as MC-1410 OGS due to the import phase-out program. And we can tell that these greases have the quality and technical characteristics every bit as good as the imported ones. And in terms of price, there's a big difference. My name is Lyudmila Mikhailovna Kapralova. This is my 16th year working in the company. Once there was a company in Kazan waiting for tunneling materials, but the materials failed to come. And then they found our company, and we made sealing grease in just 2 to 3 weeks. And this small 40-gram bottle of samples was sent to Kazan. And they told us that, really, this grease is like what we used before. It is not any different from the imported one. And so they made an order of approximately 4 tons of this grease. This drum contains VMP-AUTO's product MC-1330. We apply it for protecting the main bearing. The main bearing is the heart of tunneling equipment. MC-1500 EP2 is a multi-purpose grease. We use it for lubricating jointing components, including the main bearing and the erector arm tunnel driver. Now here is the process of assembling an erector arm tunnel driver's ring, where we use the grease MC-1500. VMP-AUTO's products have proven themselves successful in operating this equipment. We create and produce lubricants, and we want to be the best in this sphere. So, we do not spare expenses on research. We do not spare expenses on equipment. We do not spare expenses on people. Yes, we do not have profits, but we have great potential. The most difficult thing in the work of every company is to bring people together. Maybe our main achievement in the last few years is that we have joined together like-minded people who really love what they do, in the same way that they love their life, hobby, wife, and maybe more. Hello, my name is Alexander. I deal with publicity and marketing in VMP-AUTO. Here is our office, made according to the principle of open space. Here, we all work together. The purchasing department, designers, sales managers, and chiefs. The office was made this way to increase the velocity of cooperation between departments. Our departments are not closed from each other with doors, and we do not communicate with each other by phone. We actually meet in person to solve the problem. Our priority is development, and we survive. The primary aim of each company in the modern world is to survive. Surviving is achieved through development, but as soon as we are developing very fast, Life is changing even faster. Do you understand? And young and more talented people are appearing somewhere more often. And we should always move and not come to a stop for self-admiration. And we, our company, VMP-AUTO, we are still in motion. And the motion is the development. And it's focused on our main area, lubricant greases, where we want to be the leaders of the industry.